Rachel Siazon from PEP. You may ask your questions now.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for Karel and Sir Louie. Siguro, what's your best tip for the contestants in terms of their preparation, and how are they gonna leave an impact on the day of their performance?
Leave an impact, no? Everyone has competed more than one time here. I think hindi talaga sila pwede mag-give up eh. Kung ano man yung kailangan nilang isipin for that day, isipin nyo, you will be your own worst enemy. So, befriend yourself. Take yourself out on dates. Yung mga ganyan, di ba? Ngayon naman, kahit papaano, ang dami na online on how to get rid of the nerves, di ba? The anxiety. So, use those tools and those exercises. Kasi they do work, di ba? Be inspired. Ano ba nag-i-inspire sa'yo? Ano ba yung unang nagpakilig sa'yo the first time you step on that TNT stage? Magbalik pa daw kayo habang nandito kayo. Ibalik niyo yun, yung talagang gigil na hindi mo mawari. Buhayin niyo yung little Isaac or kung sino man yung, di ba, may Sasha Fierce, di ba? Pangalanan niyo yung sarili niyo. Sa TNT, eto ako. Di ako to yung mahiyain, yung takot, yung whatever. May iba akong katauhan at makikita niyo siya at magwawagi siya dito today. Good luck sa inyo.
Ako naman, there shouldn't be a day when you are not prepared. Okay? Think of that. Kailangan, kung kailan kang tawagin, anytime, you have to be 100% prepared. Kumbaga, kung sa basketball, diba, sa pogi, diba, kapag may substitute, kapag tinawag ka, preparado kayo. So, number 1 yon. Always be ready. 100%. Gawin mo ng 110%. Always. Ngayon, yung impact, kailangan ang gawin. Okay, impact. Just be yourself. Maybe others will not like you for who you are, but that's just one person. Ang laki-laki ng mundo, di ba? And you're bound to make someone fall in love with your singing. At least you are not deviating from who you really are. What's important, kung sino kayo, yung pakita niyo kung sino kayo talaga at mamahalin kayo. Kung may ayaw sa inyo, problema nila yon. Pero, what's important, you are who you are. That's the only way you can live to a good, magkaroon ng impact. Yun. So, think of that. So, be prepared, always be prepared. And just be yourself and shine.
Thank you so much. Thank you po, Sir Louie and Karel.
Thank you.
For the contestants, siguro pili na lang ako ng isa, si Jezza.
Sige pa. Jezza?
Ayan. Si Jezza, siguro, what's your biggest fear in this contest, and how are you planning to deal with it?
Siyempre po, ang kinakatakutan ko po talaga is yung sarili ko. Kasi meron pa rin po akong stage fright. Pero nakakaya ko naman po siyang i-overcome ngayon. At ayun po.
Paano mo siya i-handle this time around? Na, syempre, binigyan ka ulit ng chance na magbalik dito sa TNT.
Siyempre po yung eagerness po na talaga maibigay ko po ng justice yung mga piyesa po na kakantahin ko po. At siyempre, nakakatulong din po sa akin yung palagi po ako nananalangin.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much, Miss Rachel. Ito naman, meron din tayong katanungan from Miss Giselle Takazon from What's Up PH.
Right. So, this question po, firstly, is for the Jurados, specifically for Sir Augie and Sir Louie. So, the question that I have is, personally po, for you, how does this show, or specifically this segment, which is Tawag ng Tanghalan, has helped in terms of making an impact or shaping the music industry in terms of discovering new, of course, talented people like them?
Hi.
Hi po.
I have two words. Sofronio Vasquez. I think his story says it all. You know? Story of perseverance, story of someone who had a dream and never stopped until he nakamit niya yung dream na yun. So, in terms of impact, I believe he started here and he still became a coach. Diba? Sino ba dito kinoach din ni Sof? Kayo din, diba? So, he continues to leave an impact on the lives of so many of these singers. And I think now that he is internationally renowned, he will leave a more of a bigger impact to so many. So, that's, ano yung sabi ng mga Gen Z ngayon? Yung coded, ano coded? TNT coded. Yeah. So, yeah, I think those are the two words I can know.
I'm sorry, can you repeat the question?
To make it short po, how does this show, specifically the Tawag ng Tanghalan, has helped making an impact or shaping the music industry, of course, in terms of discovering new talented people like them?
Well, number one, I think giving them the chance, exposure, I'll talk about exposure. For people to watch them, okay, and to be heard because of TNT. Because of TNT, they are exposed, they can be watched on television, on a computer. Exposure that's a big thing. Gives them confidence. It makes people know who they are. It makes them shine. Because madidinig, ay, si ano pala to, si Isaac or si Enzo. They put the voice and the face together. So this is what TNT did. Even for me as a jurado, I mean, I'm a musical director, songwriter, but because of Tawag ng Tanghalan and Showtime, I'm very grateful that they put the name and the face together. So para akong contestant din. Ano mo yun? So parang, kaya nagkaroon ng impact ng konti. Ngayon, when I work, si Louie Ocampo yan, si Louie yan. So, that's my...
Thank you so much for that, Sir Augie and Sir Louie. Now, for the Resbackers, I will choose one as well din po. Maybe I'll choose Dylan. Yes, Dylan.
Yeah.
Right, so Dylan, for you, how is your experience so far in this show had changed you personally as an artist? Yeah, sure. How did this experience that you had so far in this show had changed you as an artist?
Simula po nung sumali po ako dito, nung nakita ko po yung sarili ko po online na kumakanta, parang dumagdag po siya sa confidence ko na, Dylan, kaya mo pala to. Yun po, dumagdag po siya sa confidence ko and yun po yung nag-push sa akin para po mag-practice po ako at mag-improve.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Galing naman sumagot ni Dylan.
Thank you, Miss Jessel.
Thank you po from Wazop PH. And now, the mic is yours, Sir Alan Sancon from Stars Photo.
Hello po. Congratulations everyone for being a part of ng Grand Resback. And to the judges. Tanong ko lang kay Sir Augie sa kay Karil. So, sa dami-dami ng mga magagaling na singers sa Pilipinas, bakit po pinili niyong ibalik yung Grand Resback kaysa pumili ng mga panibagong-bagong singer po? Why yung Resback po?
I think one of the biggest things talaga na nakikita ko sa grupong to, and sa pagpanood ko kanina, dami na numbalik na memories. Ang galing ng pangarap, ano? Kahit anong talo, hindi mo siya mapapatay. At sila yung testament sa ganun. And I think, dahil marami sa kanila nakasalamuha ko talaga pagkatapos nilang umalis dito, like, naririnig ko rin yung mga kwento nila. And it's sad because when you lose, you have to feel sad. But you get back up and you move on. And that is, diba, the human spirit. Yun talaga yung dapat nating sineselebrate. And why not put them all on the same stage? Kasi ito yung favorite part ko in any season. Resback baka na, ito na, talaga. ang sarap mapanood sa panahon na mahirap, talagang sila yung ganyan dapat, ganyan tayo. They are people to be idolized and recognized and given yet another chance, if they will take it, because we celebrate them every time they are on stage. So they are so worthy of our love and attention.
Thank you. Sir Augie?
I have 2 words. Natapos na ba yan? Hindi. Sorry, lagi ko babalikan si Sof. Kasi siya ay isang ehemplo ng isang press backer. Diba? Rumesbak siya sa ibang bansa. Diba? Doon siya nakipagsapalaran. Doon siya lumaban at nagwagi. I think aside from the humongous talent that all of you have, which is given, a lot of people kumakapit din sa istorya nila. Diba? Yung kung saan sila nanggaling, yung journey nila. So Fronio's journey is an example na kinapitan ng lahat ng madlang people. And ang exciting na panoorin nyo. Babalik kayo. Saan kayo nanggaling? Ano na ba ang mga nangyari sa inyo pagkatapos ng inyong short journey sa TNT or sa The Clash or kung saan man? Ano na ba ang mga nangyari sa inyo? Ano ang bit-bit ninyo ngayon na meron tayong bagong patimpala? Eto, sorry, meron lang akong babanggitin. You know, one of the greatest, perhaps the greatest singer that I know is my wife. Bias ko yun eh. Kahit biased ako. But for someone who is with her every day, I see that, I call it the beautiful struggle. And she always says, ngayon na, medyo mag-edad na siya, and she's struggling with her voice, but she continues to try and improve herself. So kumbaga siya, rumerespak din. Bumabalik pa rin siya. And it's just sa pag-jogging. And it's just because of the sheer love of wanting to perform. Isn't that a great story? So, I wish that upon all of you. Hindi ko alam kung sinagot ko yung tanong mo, kapatid, pero sorry, kapuso, kapamilya pala. Oo. But,
Ako din, shoutout ko rin yung favorite singer ko, Yael.
Ay, grabe.
Pati mama ko pala.
Mama.
Tsaka yung mama ko. At tsaka yung kapatid ko pa si Zia din.
Ikaw na rin?
Ako na rin.
Sir, ano yung second word? Joke lang po. Yung first word na yung second word. Follow up lang po. Sabi niyo sa Fronio, di ba? Kung hindi ba nanalo si sa Fronio sa abroad, kasali ba siya dito sa RESMAC?
Si Jed ang makakasagot mo.
Why not? Di ba? Why not? The reason why, ang dahilan bakit nandito silang lahat ngayon, aside from if ever si Sofronio, is kasi meron silang something na maibibigay sa tao, and that's their talent. The reason why these amazing talents are on stage right now, are here, is because meron silang ibibigay, may talent sila, at sobrang kailangan talaga ipakita sa madlang people, buong mundo. And that's what's nice about Tawag ng Tangalan. It's non-stop giving opportunity para sa mga talented na mga tao tulad nila.
Thank you po. Yung second question po for the rest, Bakit? Pili na lang din ako ng isa kasi masyado silang marami. Siguro tanong ko na lang kay Jeremiah. Yeah, hindi namin alam, nagulat kami din dyan ka, hindi namin alam na Tawag ng Tanghalan ka pala before ka nag-clash before. Pero ikaw, kung may kung meron kang gustong balikan noon na pagkakamali mo, pero babaguhin mo ngayon para makuha mo yung pagiging grand champion. Ano yun? Yung second question ko sa'yo, bakit ka bumalik sa Grand RESMAC, you have your own career already, di ba? Parang gano'n.
So first po, nasabi ko na rin kina Lorraine and brother, na yung preparation. Kasi yung pagkatalo ko po sa, dito sa TNTA, yung huling laban ko, which is Kuya Sofronio, paos ako. So, ang dami kong, kumbaga, hindi, yung, unfinished business. So, kumbaga, yung preparation ko po, since bata pa lang ako noon, hindi pa ako, siguro matatawag na Hindi pa ako matured enough para sumampak sa competition na yun. And masasabi ko na yun, naging parang sobrang nagturo sa akin na maging mature pa po para sumabak pa sa mga competition like yun nga in The Clash kanina. So, for the second question po, parang sinabi mo kasi sa akin na yung qualification dito sa Grand Resback ay hindi pa nagcha-champion sa tawag na pangalan. So sabi ko, why not i-grab ko po yung opportunity since dito po ako nagsimula. And sobrang happy and blessed ako dahil ang dami kong mga kakilala, sila Kuya Raymundo, tumalo din sa akin. So sobrang happy lang ako dahil nandito kami, bawat isa. Bukod sa competition po, fun lang, kumbaga masaya lang this time. So ayun po. Sana nasunod ko.
Follow up na saan ka mas kabado ngayon nasasali ka dito sa Resback o dun sa unang pagkasali mo sa tawag na tangay?
Masasabi ko po na yung una kasi wala pa po akong experience talaga noon. And hindi ko pa po alam kung paano gumagalaw yung sistema po siyempre sa stage, malamig, alam mo yung mga ganong kind of pressure na siguro po mas kabado ako nung first season ko na which is 2016 pa. And ngayon kasi masaya lang kasi madami po kaming magkakakilala, gano'n, tapos ayun, siguro yun na po yung sasabi ko.
Thank you, congratulations everyone.
Thank you so much, Sir